Please don't go.
Goodbye.
No. No.
Farewell.
Please. Please don't leave me. No, you can't go.
Go. Let me go.
No, please don't leave.
Bye.
Oh. It's another snow day. I think I just might die. Try to save my love. Bye-bye. Maybe he won't be going to work today. That's what happens when you drive a go-kart for a car. Look at the neighbors with their big old truck. Maybe he can borrow it to go to work. Oh, that didn't sound good. What you doing, honey? He's digging his way out. Hey, can you dig me a bus route too? He's determined to get to work. He doesn't want to stay home, I guess. Now, St. Luke's, this is what I call dedication. He's literally digging his car out of the snow just to get to work. Oh, and he doesn't even have waterproof shoes on. Alright, I'm going to send another updated video so this one isn't so long. Bye-bye.